lelo verse lelo kuneverse elithusayo lithi ke kanti awazini ukuthi ukulalela kundlula amanoni nemhlatshelo. But bese liyaqhubeka lithi ke wena Sawule ukwambuka kuyafana nokukhonza izithombe. Right? Now lithi Bible rebellion is like witchcraft. Elesingisi lithi rebellion is like witchcraft. That is why I deal decisively in rebellion in my church. I don't joke with that. I don't compromise with that. If ever a son ahamba kahle esontweni lami uyabuya azoshumayela ngiphinde ngimnike ipulpit amashumayele but wahamba suzile wasuza esontweni lami. I don't joke. Because in rebellion, if you don't deal with it decisively, it will emerge. Izokwanda la ebandleni.